Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing a quick get ready with me video. So first of all, I'm going to be doing my makeup. So I've already put on my primer and I've already done my eyebrows. So here I've got this foundation and it's the satin foundation by Rimmel, I think. And yeah, so I'm just gonna dab on my face. I love something simple and natural, so I don't do a whole lot of makeup. Yeah, so I'm gonna be using this brush to just dab it on my face until it's smooth. I'm gonna carry on until I'm happy with the tone and depth of the foundation. Like I said, I love something light and not very full coverage, just light, almost like a makeup no makeup look. You get. Anyway, by the way, how are you all doing? Hope you're doing well. Hope you're doing fine. How's your weekend? So at this point I was getting ready for a wedding invitation and I was so excited. So yeah, I thought I'll do my makeup and get dressed and look good as much as possible. So that's the foundation done. I'm happy with that. Then I'm gonna go ahead and contour, just a light contour. So I'm using this contour stick from, I can't even remember, I think it's L'Oreal. So I'm just gonna contour my cheekbones, my jawline and my temple, just to highlight the shape of my face, and then also contour my nose as well. Then I've got this lighter foundation from Giorgio Armani. I'm gonna use it as my concealer. Not concealer, I don't use concealer, but yeah, just to help with the contour and shape of my face. So I'm just gonna put a little bit on my face and dab it on, as you can see. I'm gonna make sure it's smooth and I'm gonna blend it properly so it's all smoothing out together. So that is that done, and then I'm gonna take the same brush and angle it, because this brush is a foundation brush and a contour brush as well. So I'm gonna use the angled part to just blend in my contour. To put on foundation is hard work. Look at me. I was just trying to be comfortable to put this foundation on. And yeah, so I'll just blend my nose as well to help my nose feel pointed, and yeah, to highlight the shape of my face and my nose. And then I'm gonna put this particular, it's an eyeshadow, but I like to use it to highlight the bone of my nose and my cheek as well, and it works well for me. And as you notice here, I'm using my hands. I'm going to mostly use my fingers to apply most of the makeup. I saw this person, I think it's Mocheda on Instagram. She did a video on how to use your fingers to apply makeup. So yeah, it really does work for me. I've been using it for a very long time and it works for me. Remember to wash your hands. So next thing, I'm gonna apply my powder just to seal everything on. I think this one is from Sleek. Then I'm going to use this powder brush to apply the powder just to seal everything up. Okay, here I think I was trying to bake. I don't do too much baking, but I just put a little bit just to help seal the foundation on. So while that is baking, I'm going to work on my eyelids. So here I'm using this palette. I don't know the name, I've forgotten the name of the brand. So I just choose the one that I like, the color I like on the palette, and just put on top of my eyelid. As you can see, like I said, I'm going to be using my fingers mostly for the rest part of this makeup, which I actually enjoyed doing. And then I'm going to take a darker shade just to blend in the whole eyeshadow on my eyelid, so it's well blended together. And I'm gonna go ahead and clean my hand. So I just clean my hand on the go. Remember, I'm using my fingers. I don't want to mix up any foundation or eyeshadow palettes. So I'm gonna go ahead and line out my eyelid with this Rimmel eye pencil in black. So it wasn't sharp enough, so I just did a quick sharpening, and now as you can see it looks better. And then I'm gonna apply it on my eyelids. I know people use, I think I've seen people use wet eyeliners. I used to use wet eyeliners before, but I just thought it was too, for a simple foundation that I'm doing, I just thought it was too loud. I don't know how to do makeup. This is just an amateur, okay? Don't take any lessons from me. This is how I do, this is how I know how to do it. So yeah, it's really amateur. I know it's not professional, but it works well for me and I like it. So here I'm going to apply the Fenty mascara. This Fenty mascara is really good. I'm running out and I'm going to buy another one very soon. It's quite expensive, but it's really worth it. It makes your eye pop out. It makes your eyelashes really pop out as well. I don't use artificial eyelashes because I just don't know how to apply them, and this works well for me as well. So yeah. That's me dancing, always dancing. And then I'm going to just dab the powder. Remember the powder, so I'm going to blend out the powder on my face, and yeah, to make sure everything is blended in. So that's that. My face is done and I'm happy about that. Now I'm going to focus on my lips. So I'm using this, I'm just showing you the lips, the lip pens I'm using, and the lip glosses and the lip stick as well. So yeah, all these are from Everything 5 pounds and they are really quite good. So I'm just gonna line my lips with the lipstick just to help shaping my lips. And then I'm going to apply the rest of the lip gloss and lip paint. Yeah, I really like how this lip combination turned out. To be honest, this is usually my go-to lipstick combination and it works really well for me. Yeah, and then I'm going to finish it off with the lip gloss. So that is that done with my lips, and I'm happy about that. And I always like to wipe the colored bits of my lip gloss, my clear lip gloss. So yeah, that's the finished look of my lip combination. I love it. Happy about it. Then there's this trick or this hack my friend told me about, applying your red lipstick on your cheek to act as your blush. At this point I was looking for it and then I finally found it. So just apply on the cheekbones to highlight your cheekbones, and it's really good. Such a good hack. Since she told me about it, I've not stopped doing it. So yeah, just blending. Here I am again using my fingers, and look at me, really excited about the outcome. Blend, and the other side as well. I just blend it in. And I love it. Can you see the outcome? And then I'm going to wipe my hands, clean my hands again, and then I'm gonna finish off with powder just to seal everything in. Powder also help with oil control if you've got oily face, and powder also helps with setting the whole makeup on so it stays in place. So yeah, that's the finished look. What do you think? What do you think of this look? Do you like it? I love it so much. Yeah. And then I added my wig, my earrings, my accessories, my wristwatch. This is a wig you'd never know, but it's so natural. But I love it. It's my favorite wig. So I'm just combing it through to make sure it's smooth, and yeah, I love the outcome. Love it. So what do you think? And here I'm adding my hair accessory, which I love so much because it fits with my dress, which I ended up picking. I ended up going with this particular dress, and yeah, I was really happy about it. Very happy about the outcome of the makeup and the outfit. So that's my makeup done. I'm going to show you a video of the full outfit, and yeah, I hope you enjoy it. I'm going to love and leave you here. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe as usual, and I'm gonna see you on my next one. Bye.